Hi friends, this is Luca. I'm here in configuration management camp and I bumped into this gentleman, so please introduce yourself.
So, hi, my name is Martin. I'm founder and CEO of Betadots GmbH. We support customers in on-premise IT automation with a specific focus on Puppet and Foreman.
That's very awesome, and I heard that there is a lot of turbulence in the Puppet universe. Can you please clarify what's going on?
So it's not really turbulences, but let's say we have interesting times. So Puppet itself made a decision that they want to discontinue providing free open source packages and put them into some kind of a paywall. So at least you can use it up to 25 nodes only. And the community was not really happy with it, and as the Puppet license allows us to fork, it's an Apache 2 license, the community made the decision to do a soft fork. Soft fork means that we are still compatible with everything that Puppet is doing, but we're building now packages by ourselves, and we will also contribute to the code base and improve it and remove all things that are not longer used.
Oh, that's interesting. So it will be like a drop-in replacement. So we can still use the same recipe and the things that we are used to.
It's still the same command line utilities, it's the same configuration files, it's the same paths. The API, so the library interface, remains the same, and this is something that together with Perforce we want to ensure. So therefore we would like to found a steering committee, with a language steering committee, which ensures that everything that both parties are doing is compatible towards each other.
That's amazing, that's great. So the people in the future can choose if they want to go commercial with Puppet, or choose the open source fork that is maintained by the community and that can be more engaged with the latest packages. Is this a way forward?
It's definitely a way forward. So yes, companies can make a decision whether they want to go for the original producer, Perforce, or whether they want to go to the community side. We expect in the long term the community side have faster improvements compared to Puppet because they more concentrate on their enterprise tooling, whereas we are more interested in getting a clean code base and of course let other people contribute, which was very, very difficult in the past.
Great, I see your point. And how you see in the future, what will be the 2025 of this project?
2025 will bring, I suppose, some trouble to Puppet because I suppose many people that are using open source don't like to pay for it because they are already paying community for doing the work. So why should they pay twice the thing? So people might move away. We will see a heavy leap into running Puppet in containers, not directly on an operating system, but we see plenty of organizations switching to container-based technology. And with our company, we already have mostly developed the Puppet containers, which will now become the open box containers. So for everybody who's using the Puppet containers, the Puppet open source containers, please be aware they will be discontinued by end of this week, but we already have the new open box containers ready to use.
Great, this is awesome news for the community. And how can people get involved and in contact with you?
So mostly things happening online. There is a Slack channel which is called Slack organization, which is called Vox Populi.
Vox Populi.
Yeah, which is the name of the open source community itself on GitHub. And just that you know there that you are interested. So the discussion happens worldwide. We are around about 200 people acting worldwide together. So each time zone we have people that you can just get in contact with, and the best thing is using Slack.
Absolutely. So Slack is the best channel, and how can people get in contact with you directly, Martin?
So sorry, once more the question, please. Too loud here.
How can people get involved? Contact directly with you, Martin.
Yeah. They can of course contact me directly. So you can reach me via betadots.de. There you will find the contact information. And what we are looking for is for people to contributing, either they find bugs and do bug reports, preferably, of course, with a pull request to get a fix at hand.
Yeah, but more
that's
information,
not really
the better, of course.
Yeah. And documentation must be done, so we also need people that point us to wrong documentation, please fix them. If people have questions, we try to collect what kind of issues do we have, how can we support the community from the community side, organizations that they have continue with success with Puppet and then with OpenBox.
Absolutely. I think that Puppet is such an important tool in the DevOps ecosystem, and it's very interesting, this initiative, and I really hope that you got more people engaged and more, this project will grow up more and more.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for having us, and I wish you a bright 2025.
Thank you.